Dear students, let's continue with part 2 of calendars and finding dates and day of the week accordingly. So let me just give you a recap of what we learned in part 1. So just a recap. So for example, if day number 1 is given as Friday and you are asked to calculate which day of the week will it be on, let's say, day number 82, then what is the method that we had to use? So there are total of how many days? How many total days are there involved? This is the question that you need to ask. So in this question, from day number 1 to day number 82. So day number 1 is also counted. Day number 82 is also counted. Because day number 1 is given as Friday and you are required to find what day of the week will it be on day number 82. So both these days are also counted. So there are total 82 days. And first day is Friday. This is the information that is given to you. Now what you have to do? You have to divide 82 into 7. 82 by 7 that you have to divide. So 1 year, then 12. So one more time. So you see this 5 is the remainder and this 11 is the quotient. So this basically means 82 days is equal to 11 complete weeks. 11 weeks plus remainder is 5 plus 5 extra days. So the answer to these kind of question is hidden in how many extra days are there, because in 82 days there would be some complete weeks and then some extra days. So even if you remove complete weeks, because it is a pattern, each day repeats after 7 days, so there is a pattern. All this we discussed in part 1. So answer actually is determined by how many extra days are there. So in our example, 82 days example, there are 5 extra days. So 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day. So this is 82nd day, 5th extra day. So how will you find the answer? So first day is given as Friday. So here Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So Tuesday would be the answer in the example that we have taken. So all this we have already discussed in detail in part 1 of calendar and dates. So you can go and watch that video if you haven't. So now let's take things forward. So this is part 2. So before we move forward, we have to understand the concept of leap and non-leap years. So what are leap years? So first understand what are normal years, because we know that leap years are not normal. So normal years are those years which have 365 days and February has got only 28 days. So leap years are basically those years which have one extra day. So leap years have got one extra day. So normal year has 365 days only. 365 days only. Whereas leap year has got 366 days. A normal year, February has only 28 days. But since in a leap year one extra day is there, so that extra day, that means 366th day, is assigned to the month of February, and therefore if the year is leap, so in that year February has 29 days. So one more thing that you have to understand about leap year. So leap year has one extra day as compared to a normal, or you can say non-leap year. Now leap year occurs at a gap of 4 years. So if 2012 If 2012 is a leap year, after 4 years, 4 years later, that means 2016 will also be a leap year, but there is one exception. The general rule is that after every 4 years, we have a leap year, but there is one exception. So let us understand what is that one exception. So let us understand the rule to determine the leap year. In this rule itself, you will understand what is the exception. So rule to determine, how do you determine if any year is leap year or not? So if I ask you to determine that is 1926 AD is this year leap year or a normal year? So how are you going to determine that? So this is what we are going to discuss now. So see, there are two simple steps to determine whether any year is a leap year or not. So first step is picking last two digits. So you have to pick last two digits. So if I ask you to verify 1926, you have to pick the last two digits. In case if the last two digits are 00, so by chance if the last two digits are 00, so you see here the last two digits are 0, here also the last two digits are 0, then pick the first two digits for divisibility test. So our first job is to pick two digits. So those two digits, my intention is to pick the last two digits, but the rule says that if the last two digits are by chance 00, so you can see here 00 and here also 00. So the rule says that if the last two digits are 00, then don't pick 00. Picking 00 is not allowed. Then what? Then you have to pick the first two digits, because last two digits were 00, so I cannot pick those. So here I will pick 16. So our first job is to pick two digits. So if I have to check 1930 is odd or not, so is 1930 a leap year or not? So my intention is to pick last two digits. So can I pick the last two digits? Yes, I can pick the last two digits. The problem is if both the digits are 0. Here only one digit is 0. Both the digits are not 0. So here I can pick 30. So no problem. If somebody will ask me to verify is 632 AD leap year or not, so I will pick the last two digits. I will pick 32 and I will do the second step. So second step is divisibility test. So in the first step, you have picked two digits. You have picked two digits, keeping in mind that picking 00 is not allowed. So now you have already picked two digits. So this is step 2. In step 2, what you have to do? So you have picked two digits. You have to divide this two digits by 4. You have to divide and you have to ask the question, is the division, is it divisible or not? So this two digit number that you have picked from there, is that two digit number divisible by 4 or not? If the answer is yes, then the year, for example 1926, you pick 26. So you try to divide 26 by 4. So is it divisible? Is 26 divisible by 4? The answer is no. So if the answer is no, it means 1926. 1926 is not a leap year. So this is the logic. So let's take a few examples. Is the year 1273 AD leap or not? So step 1, pick the last two digits. So I pick 73 from here. Step 2, divide by 4 and check the divisibility. Check if it is divisible or not. So 73 is not divisible by 4. So not leap. Answer is it is not a leap year. Is 1884 AD leap or not? So step 1, pick the last two digits. So this is step 1, pick 84. Now step 2. Step 2 is divide by 4 and check the divisibility. Divide by 4 and check the divisibility. So is 84 divisible by 4 or not? So the answer is yes. So yes, it is a leap year. Is 1926 AD leap or not? So I have to pick the last two digits. So I pick 26, then I divide it by 4 and I check the divisibility. So is 26 divisible by 4 or not? The answer is no. 26 is not completely divisible by 4. So it is not a leap year. Now 1300 AD. So I have to pick the last two digits. But here there is problem. I cannot pick because last two digits are 00. So this is not allowed. So I will pick 13. So I will pick 13 and divide it by 4 and I will check the divisibility. Is 13 divisible by 4? Answer is no. So 1300 AD is no. No means it is not a leap year. Is 1600 AD a leap year or not? So I will try to pick the last two digit, but this is 00, so not allowed. So if this is not allowed, then I pick the first two digit. So I pick 16 and I do the divisibility test. Is 16 divisible by 4? So the answer is yes. It means 1600 AD is a leap year. So this is the concept. 1220 AD leap or not? So I will pick the last two digits. So last two digit is 20. So 20 is divisible by 4 or not? So divisibility test. So 20 is divisible by 4. So yes, it is divisible by 4. So the answer is 1220 is a leap year. Same you can do and answer in the comment box. 1930 is a leap year or not? 682 leap year or not? So pick the last two digit 82. Divide 82 by 4 and ask the question, is 82 divisible by 4? Answer is no, it is not. So this is not a leap year. Now this question, which of the following is not a leap year? So pick the last two digit 12. Is 12 divisible by 4? So yes it is. So answer is yes. Is 20 divisible by 4? So answer is yes. So this is also a leap year. 1200, 2100. So I cannot pick 00. So I have to check 21. So 21 divisible by 4 or not? So answer is no. Now 2400. So I cannot choose 00. So I will pick 24. So is 24 divisible by 4? Answer is yes. So no means not a leap year. So this is not a leap year. 2100 AD is not a leap year. So which of the following is not a leap year? So you can understand. Last two digits are 00, 00 and here also 00. So you cannot choose 0000. So basically you have to do the divisibility test on first two digits. So 17 divisible by 4, answer is no. 18 divisible by 4, answer is no. 19 divisible by 4, answer is no. 20 divisible by 4, answer is yes. Therefore a tick mark here. Now we already discussed the difference between a leap and a non-leap year. So the basic difference is a non-leap year, 365 days. February has only 28 days. Whereas in a leap year, there are 366 days. That means one extra day. 365 and here 366, one extra day. And that extra day is assigned to the month of February. Therefore in February of a leap year will have 29 days. Now, understand the concept of odd days. So when you are asked to find day of the week, this type of question, which day of the week it is, so only extra days contain the answer. Extra days contain the answer. You remove the multiples of 7 because every 7 days means one complete week. So basically the answer is given on the basis of extra days. So if you think properly, month of January, whether it is a normal year or a leap year. So month of January has 31 days. So 31 days, if month of January has 31 days, so 31 days is equal to 4 complete weeks. So in 1 week there are 27 days. So in 4 weeks there are 28 days. So 31 days is equal to 4 complete weeks plus 3 extra days. 3 extra days. So if somebody will ask you that how many extra days are there as per the calendar in the month of January, so you will divide 31 by 7. So 31 days is equal to 4 complete weeks plus 3 extra days. So odd days or extra days in the month of January is 33. In the month of February, so here there you will have to understand whether it is a leap year or a normal year. If it is a normal year, then it has 28 days. So 28 means 4 days, 4 weeks. So if there are 4 weeks, exact 4 weeks, there are no extra days. So in case of February, two answers are possible. Why? Because February may be a normal year, maybe a leap year. So if it is a normal year, February has 28 days. So 28 days is equal to 4 weeks. There are no extra days. So if it is a 20 days February, there are 0 extra days. If it is a 29-day February, that means 1 extra day. So here also there will be 1 extra day. So this is the concept of month and extra day. So now let us see what kind of questions are asked on this concept. So if 1st January 2019 is Tuesday, 1st April of same year will be what? So the year is 2019. So 2019 is a non-leap year. Non-leap year means February has 28 days. This information is given to us. Now 1st January 2019 is Tuesday. So you have to start counting from here and you have to count up till 1st April. So 1st April of same year 2019. You have to count and tell that how many days are here. So how many days are here? Let us count. So in this counting, you have considered entire month of January, entire month of January, entire month of February, entire month of March, and 1 day from April, because your counting starts on 1st of April. So 1 day from April, 31 days from January, because January has 31 days. February has 28 days because this is a non-leap year. So 28 days from February. March has 31 days. So it is given to you that you have to count total these many days and you have to tell which day of the week. So you should not count. You should consider only extra days. Concentrate only on extra days. So from which month you get what extra days. So 31. So if a month has got 31 days, 31 days means 4 complete weeks plus 3 extra days. So 31 days, if January has got 31 days, it has 3 extra days. So from January you get 3 extra days. February has 28 days. So 28 days, if February has 28 days, it means it has 0 extra days. You can calculate that 28 days is equal to 4 complete weeks. So no extra day from February. So 0. Similarly from March, March has 31 days. So 31 days means 3 extra days. From April you have taken only 1 day. So 1 from here. So now 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 1 7. So this becomes 7. So 7 extra days. So there cannot be 7 extra days. It means 1 full week. So you can say complete week, end of the week. So 7 days means end of the week. End of the week. Day number 7. So day number 7 is end of the week. So your week starts from Tuesday because 1st January is given as Tuesday. So if week starts from Tuesday, so day number 1 is Tuesday. So day number 7 will be what? Last day of the week will be Monday. So the answer here is Monday. So let's verify. So 1st April 2019. So I have the calendar with me. 1st April 2019 is Monday. And our solution also tells us that the answer is Monday. So let's take one more example. If 1st March 2019 is Friday, so you start counting from 1st March and you stop counting on 1st May of same year. Year is 2019. So you stop counting on 1st May. So you start in March, you start in May. So February is not involved in between. So you don't have to worry whether it is a leap year or not because February is not involved. So you start counting from 1st of March. So you have taken entire month of March. So entire month of March, entire month of April, and one day from May because your counting starts on 1st of May. So one day from May, 31 days from March, and 30 days from April. So you have to now understand how many extra days you are getting from each month. Extra day. So how do you get extra day? Divide 31 by 7 and concentrate on the remainder. So if you divide 31 by 7, 3 is the remainder. So from here 3 extra days. Similarly divide 30 by 7 and concentrate on remainder. So 2 is the remainder. So 2 extra days. You divide 1 by 7. So 1 is the remainder. So now count this. So 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. So the answer is day number 6. Day number 6. So day number 1 is given as Friday. So if day number 1 is Friday, then count day number 6. This is day number 2, day number 3, day number 4, day number 5. This is day number 6. So let us count Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So day number 6 is Wednesday. So 1st May 2019 is Wednesday. Let us verify using calendar. So 1st May 2019, from the calendar also you can verify. Let's take one more example. 1st April 2019 is Monday. So you have started counting from 1st of April and you have to find out 14th October is which day of the week. So you stop counting on 14th of October. That means you have taken entire month of April, May, June, July, August, September, and 14 days from October because your counting starts from on 14th. So from October you have taken 14 days, from September 30 days, August 31 days, July 31, June 30, May again 31, April 31 days. So this is what you have to count, but you don't have to count, you have to count only extra days. So how do you find extra days? Divide each month by 7 and find out the remainder. So 30 by 7, remainder is 2. 31 by 7, remainder is 3. June 30 days, 30 divided by 7, remainder is 2. July 31 days, 31 divided by 7, remainder is 3. August again 3. September 2. October 14 divided by 7, so remainder is 0. So 0 extra days. So count how many extra days are there. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7. So 7 means one complete week and complete weeks can be removed. Still answer is not affected. So 3 plus 2 7. So I am removing this 7 because this means one complete week. So one complete week can be removed. Answer will not be affected. Now let's count again. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8. So from this 8 you divide again by 7 and find the remainder, because 8 is more than 7. So remainder is 1. So answer is 1 extra day. So first day of the week is given as Monday. So 1 extra day. So first day itself is Monday. So 14th October must be Monday. Let's look in the calendar. 14th October 2019. 14th October 2019 is Monday. Now let's take this example. And this time you have to be careful, because the year is 2020. So what is special about 2020? It is a leap year. So if it is a leap year, so February will have 29 days. So in this question, you have been told that 1st January 2020. So 1st January is Wednesday. So you start counting from 1st January and you stop counting on 3rd of August. And remember that this is a leap year, 2020. So February will have 29 days. So you have taken entire month of January, then entire month of February into counting, then March, then April, May, June, July, and then 3 days from August. So this is what you have to logically solve. So this is the total count of day. So from August you have taken 3 days. July total complete month has 31 days. June has 30 days. May has got 31 days. April has got 30 days. March 31. February leap year, because this is year 2020. So February will have 29 days and January as usual will have 31 days. So now you have to understand extra days. So divide by 7 and find out remainder. So 31 divided by 7, remainder is 3. 29 divided by 7, remainder is 1. Similarly 3, 2, 3, 2 again, 3 and 3 again, because 3 cannot be divided by 7, so entire 3 will be remainder. So now let us count extra days. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7. So till here the count is 7. 7 means one complete week. So one complete week can be removed, answer will be not affected. So remove all this. So now 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7 again you get 7. So 7 means one complete week, so remove this as well. So finally what do you get? 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So day number 6. Sixth day number 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first day is given as Wednesday. So if first day is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and therefore answer is Monday. So let's verify. Let's look in the calendar of August 2020. 3rd of August is Monday or not. So let's verify. 3rd of August, calendar of 2020. So yes, 3rd of August is Monday. We can verify from here. Yes. Let's solve one more. 6th June is Saturday. 1st July of same year. Now year is not mentioned. Why year is not mentioned? Because you have started counting from 6th June and you stop counting on 1st of July. So February is not involved in between. So if February is not involved, then what is the need to tell you whether it is a leap year or not? So that's why it is not mentioned. So here you can see that you have taken some days from June and some days from July. That's all. Only 2 months are involved here. So how many days you have taken from June? So you have started counting from 6th of June. So June has 30 days. but you have started counting from 6th June. So it means from 1 to 5 June they are missing. So you have started counting from 6th of June. That means you have removed first 5 days. So 30 minus 5. So first 5 days you have removed and then you have started counting. So from June you have taken 25 days, and from July it is very obvious you have taken only 1 days. So 25 plus 1 is equal to 26 days. So 26 days means what? 3 complete weeks. 7 threes are 21. So 3 complete weeks plus 5 extra days. 5 extra days. So your job is only to understand how many extra days are there. So fifth extra day. First day is Saturday. Counting starts from Saturday. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So answer is Wednesday. This is the answer. If 15th July is Wednesday, 21st September of same year will be what? So 15th July is Wednesday. So 15th July is Wednesday. So question is asked from this calendar so that we can verify easily. So counting starts from 15th July and stops on 21st September. That means you have taken some days from July, some days from August, and some days from September. In fact, you have taken entire month of August. Entire month of August is involved. Fine. So August have got 31 days. So July has 31 days, but you have started counting from 15. That means you have removed first 14 days. First 14 days you are not counting. So 31 minus 14 is 17. So from July you have taken 17 days. From August you have taken total 20, entire month 31 days. From September you are taking only 21 days. Now 21 is a multiple of 7. So this means 3 complete weeks. So this has got no extra days. No extra days. So you can immediately remove this. 0. You will get 0 extra days from here. So 31. If you divide 31 by 7, how many extra days you get? 3 extra days. So from here 0, from here 3. Divide 17 by 7. So how much? You get 3 extra days from here. So 3 plus 3 plus 0. So 6 extra days. So 6 extra days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sixth day. First day is Wednesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Answer is Monday. So let us verify 21st September is Monday or not. So 21st September. So yes, it is Monday. You can see it is Monday. Now let's understand one more thing. So a non-leap year. So non-leap year means a normal year. So a non-leap year, or you can call it a normal year, has 365 days. So 365 days, if you divide 365 by 7, you will soon realize that this comes out to be 52 and remainder is 1. So remainder is 1 and quotient is 52. It means 365 is equal to 52 complete weeks plus 1 extra day. So one non-leap year. So if you study properly, understand the structure of a non-leap year, you will realize that one non-leap year basically means 52 complete weeks plus 1 extra day. So a leap year has got 366 days. So one more extra days. So a normal year has 52 weeks plus 1 extra day, whereas a leap year has 52 weeks plus 2 extra days. So 1 extra. So 1 extra, 1 plus 1 becomes here 2 extra days. So now if you keep these two things in mind, that a normal year, because our answer matters only because of. So let us see this one. So in this question, information is given to us that 1st of January, year is 2015. So 1st of January 2015 is Thursday. So this is the information that they are giving to us, and on the basis of this information they want us to calculate or to find out which day of the week was it on 21st March 2019. That means 4 years later. 4 years later. So is it possible to for us to count quickly? So let us see. 1st January 2015. So you start counting on 1st January 2015. So you stop counting on which date? 21st March, but 4 years later. So 21st March 2019. So if you think logically, so what you are actually counting is entire year of 2015 AD. Entire year, because you started counting from 1st of January. So entire year of 2015, entire year of 2016, entire year of 2017, entire year of 2018, then started the year 2019. So then came January, then came February, and then 21st March. So March. So how many days you have taken in each bracket? So year 2015 is a normal year. It is a normal year. 2016 is a leap year. 2017 is a normal year. 2018 is also a normal year. January of 2019. January of 2019 or January of any leap or non-leap year, it will always contain 31 days. February of 2019. 2019 is not leap. Therefore, February will have only 28 days. From March, you are taking only 21 days because your counting has stopped here. So a normal year, concentrate only on extra days. So normal year produces or generates one extra day. Leap year generates two extra days. Normal year 2017. Again, one extra day plus one. 2018 is a normal year, so plus one. January 31. Divide 31 by 7 and concentrate on the remainder. Remainder is 3. 28 is completely divisible by 7, so remainder is 0. 21 is also completely divisible, so remainder is 0. So 0, 0 makes no sense to add them. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. 8. So 8 can be further reduced to 1 because 8 means 1 complete week plus 1 extra day. So all that matters is extra days. So 1 day, day number 1. So 1 extra day. So that day is Monday. So our answer would be Monday because, sorry, that day would be Thursday because it is mentioned the first day is Thursday. So we will also have to consider accordingly Thursday. So let's verify using calendar whether actually 21st March 2019 was Thursday or not. So 21st March, it is the calendar of March 2019, 21st. It was actually a Thursday, so our answer matches. Let's take second example. 21st July 2015. So 21st is the calendar of July 2015. So 21st July 2015 is Tuesday. So yes, it is Tuesday. So based on this information, we have to somehow calculate what day of the week was it on 3rd March 2018. So two dates, 21st July 2015. So you have to start counting from here and you have to stop at 3rd March 3rd March 2018. You have to stop here. Now you have, if you treat this logically, you will get the answer immediately. So year is 2015. So you have taken July from here, August, September, October, November, December, All this of the year 2015. Then came the entire year of 2016 AD. Then entire year of 2017 AD. Then the year 2018 started. January, February, and then your counting stopped on 3rd of March. So if you can count this properly, you will get the answer. So July, you have started counting from 21st of July. So July has 31 days, and from that 20 days, first 20 days you have removed. So you have taken 11 days from July, August, entire August 31 days, September 30 days, October 31 days, November 30 days, December 31 days. Year 2016 is a leap year. This is a normal year. January of 2018, 31 days. February, it is not a leap year, so 28 days. March, your counting has stopped on 3. So now let's concentrate only on extra days. Let's count them. So 11 divided by 7, remainder is 4. 31 divided by 7, remainder is 3. 30 divided by 7, remainder is 2. 31 divided by 7, remainder is 4. Sorry, 3. 30 divided, again remainder is 2, again 3. 2016 is a leap year, so a leap year generates 2 extra days. 2017 is a normal year, so a normal year generates 1 extra days. January of 2018, 31 days, so 3 extra days. February, 28 days, so 28 is completely divisible by 7, so 0 extra days. 3 days from March, so divided by 3. So now let's count. 4 plus 3, 7. So 7 means you can remove that because 7 is a complete multiple, means a week. Now let's count again. So 2 plus 3, 5. So 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7 again. So let's remove this 7 again. Now let's count. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So 12. So 12 means 1 week. 12 days is equal to 1 week plus 5 extra days. Plus 5 extra days. So our answer lies in 5 extra days. So 5 extra days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first day is given as Tuesday. So if first day is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so answer must be Saturday. So let us verify if 3rd March 2018 was actually Saturday or not. Let's look into the calendar. 3rd March 2018, it was actually a Saturday.